then people take pride, right? And they see it's nice, hopefully.
It's just, it got to the point where we...
It's nice over here. In the weather, you can't beat the weather.
We definitely get some best weather. I want to say some of the best weather in San Diego. Because
yeah, you get this
from the
off the coast.
Yeah,
yeah.
See like my deck up there. I see all the
yeah. You see the ocean and stuff.
I see Coronado, Imperial Beach.
Yeah, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, it's like 1 o'clock already.
Wonder it seems so damn late.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah. Hey, you know what? Let me get you I got these rubber mats that you can lean on, bro.
Oh, this is good, I think.
No, here.
You sure? We got a really badly dripping plastic drain valve. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Can you do me a favor? Yeah. Go inside the house and turn on your hot water. The pressure's going to start to die down to nothing, and then you can shut it off. Thanks. I want to change this drain valve.
Okay.
Thanks, man. Alright, so doing a service call. Got a really badly leaking drain valve here. And he said he couldn't get it lit. So hopefully we can get it lit after that. I don't know where the parts to this thing went. This is kind of how I rolled up on it. So I'll get my light on so you guys can see a little bit better. I'm kind of down below grade a little bit. So that's where we're at.
So it's gonna be a
little bit wet. Yeah, and I guess it hasn't been that bad. I kind of got used to it. I'm
cool with it though. I like it.
Yeah, you know, we need the water.
Somehow they're gonna get us on water anyways, huh?
Yeah, they're gonna get us. See it?
We have a shortage. Electricity too.
Yeah, that's why it's good I do this stuff, you know.
Our bill somehow got out of control, like ridiculous. I don't know what happened. I really don't. But I saw a lot of people are. I'm sorry. Are you recording?
All right. Well, we'll just have to go for it. There we go, we got it. Yeah, I know, all the bills are going up.
And everything.
Everything.
Going out to eat is a pain.
Yeah.
Two people, 60, 70 bucks. Easy.
Yeah, I know. I don't eat a lot of real expensive food, you know. I just don't. So I haven't really felt it too much, but because I'm always busy and I don't have a lot of time to cook. But yeah, it's crazy. It's like COVID. As soon as COVID hit and everything went through the roof, you knew it was never going to go back down. Because prices go up fast, but they don't come down quick.
Yeah, all these we were having shortages. We're having a shortage of that. Then all of a sudden.
Oh, I know. And then they'll kill like 2 billion chickens, and it's like.
Absolutely.
And then there'll be a refinery fire. It's just like, come on, man. Yeah. Like we only got 5 refineries in the United States. Who's running this?
Yeah.
Who?
I try to cook.
Elect me president, and you'll have 5 new refineries. No more refinery. We can't turn gas into oil without blowing ourselves up, but we can land somebody on the moon. Oh, it is all bullshit.
Red tape. Who's in bed with who?
Yeah.
I always tell people, you know, when it comes down to it, you know, some of my buddies are talking about, oh, you go vote. Oh, you need to go vote, bro.
Yeah.
I voted every year. This time I would go. I was like, whatever. When they complaining about something, I said, listen, bro.
Yeah.
I know you work with me, and I know how much you and I make.
Yeah.
I said, if you're not making a certain amount of money, basically I was trying to tell them, bro, it doesn't matter what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
It just benefit them. But
Mm-hmm. It's true. I just hope they do something about housing. Because I think these rents are just... I know a lot of people are making money, which is great, but...
It's out of control.
Yeah. I mean, I just happen to be lucky because I got cheap rent.
Remember last time you were here, you told me to call and make sure there's a warranty on this thing?
Mm-hmm.
They sent me everything brand new.
Oh, they did?
I got brand new burner. I got everything brand new.
Do you want to throw that in?
I mean, is it too much?
No, not at all. We're halfway there.
I
Yeah.
have everything in the box right now.
We could throw the burner in for sure.
Is that gonna help, or is it
Yeah.
a good thing, or?
Yeah, it's a real good thing. You got it. Yeah, I said, yeah, let's do it.
I just remembered right now.
Yeah. No, you're out of warranty, I think, now. So, all right. So he contacted Rheem, and he's got new parts. Oh yeah, no, that's great.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit, I don't know.
Yeah, I've been coaching a lot of people into doing that.
Oh man, for shit.
Yeah,
Probably a rapid reader.
yeah, if you could. Yeah, let's pop that bad boy in.
And then I got a new thermostat too. I don't know if we need it now, but
Ooh.
that was bad.
This one? Oh, it's just dirty. And if you don't want it, I'll take
You
it.
got it. It's all you, brother.
Yeah, I could probably make somebody's water heater live again with that.
Make your little something out of it. That's just cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice. Oh yeah, we like that.
I'm gonna put this in the box for you, or
Yeah,
just
or
leave it out?
you can just set it in the back of my truck if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Just set it back there, and that's cool. They sent you all this. Wow, we got new parts.
Should I get the thermostat too, or not? You don't need it, right?
I don't think so.
Okay.
We'll see.
Okay.
If it needs it, we can do it. We don't need that wet. Yeah, it's pretty wet in there, man.
You want me to get some towels and shit like that?
Yeah, if you got some. Yeah, it's super wet in there. Yeah, it's like really wet in here. This thing isn't doing any good anymore. Oh, awesome. Yeah, cool. Yeah, this is gonna be like a new water heater.
What?
You're gonna love that.
You need more towels, bro?
No, I think I got most of it on that one. And then we'll get some of this down here in the combustion chamber.
I need to get this thing indoors, huh?
Yeah, or maybe just elevated, because it's kind of below grade down here. Would be nice, but you're good for a while because it's not gonna rain,
Right.
Like you get another real big rainstorm and well, we'll kind of set it up a little bit so that Doesn't give you trouble.
Yesterday, my daughter's like, she called me. I was working on the trailer on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
Dad, what did you do with the hot water? I'm like, what do you mean? There's no hot water. I'm like, oh fuck. I came and looked at it. I was like, oh, okay, baby, I'll relight it. Then I heard the thing like leaking, and I was like, ah.
Mm-hmm. Well, we got that, so I changed the drain valve.
All right.
So we put that metal one on there and get rid of that plastic one. I don't know what happened to it. It's around here somewhere.
Well, you're a miracle maker. I'm telling you.
Yeah, no worries.
There's some
So you don't have to worry. Come on.
Do you do a lot of calls on weekends? Or as much as you can? Or
A lot of what? I'm sorry?
a lot of these calls on the weekends?
Yeah, I like them when they call on the weekend. Because it's just easier to get around, you know. There's traffic lights. And yeah, you got to get to them when you can, because people won't wait, you know. People won't wait. You got wives and kids and stuff like that.
Yeah, they start freaking out, huh?
Yeah, they start, you know, God bless them. They drive a lot of business for me. But yeah, they want, you know, guys will go without, they don't care, but,
Yeah.
you know, women, they're just hot on it.
I did old school. I did an old school shower just a little while ago, right?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because I was working in the house and I was like, ah, man. Problem for
Yeah. Oh, cool.
You down with that? Yeah, they went to some kind of salad. Well, I didn't know, I don't know what the hell's going on right here. Gentleman right here, Captain, I'm going to call him Captain Saberhole because this is the second time he sees me. So, what's up, Marco?
What do you do for a living?
I work at Costco, man.
Costco, okay. It was good.
31 years of slave work.
Yeah. Yeah. So you remember when it was called Price Club or
Price
whatever?
Club, yeah. Well, yeah, because it was Price Club, and then we merged with Costco and Price Club merged with Costco owning 51% of the shares and it became Price Club.
Mm-hmm.
And then from Price Club it became Costco Wholesale, and now it's just Costco.
Yeah.
And I got in there when I was 22 years old.
Oh, that's cool.
Shit, fucking 31 years, 31 in life.
That's a lot,
I
yeah.
tell people I did 30 in life, but they're going to add 5 more for bad behavior. That's good company.
Yeah. Yeah, people love that place, you know.
Absolutely.
Every time I go in there, it's filled with giants.
Let me tell you, bro.
Big people shop there.
Yeah.
Big human beings.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean?
Exactly.
I was just like, fuck, I've never seen people this big in my life.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, it's just monsters.
One in the Mesa.
I needed a TV. My TV was gone. You know? It's not like I could afford to be smart about it.
Big ass TVs now, you can get them for
Yeah, they're
a couple hundred.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Lit already?
Yeah, it's pilot's on. So who knows? Maybe that thing was blocked. Or it had a lot. You had a lot of water in there. Like it was all. It had migrated up. But we stopped the water. Well, hopefully, let's test that. Not the water.
I'm gonna shut off the water.
Oh yeah, shut that off. Okay, so we got we basically changed out the burner assembly and dried this water heater out. It had a dripping drain valve. So he had new parts because I had told him to contact Rheem. And so he had a bunch of backup parts. So we went ahead and put a brand new burner assembly in. He's got a backup valve. This one's working, so why replace it if we don't need to? So yeah, I think we're good. It fired right up. I think that was the trick. Stop the water. That was the first thing. Putting that burner assembly in there, that's just going to give you, you know, brand new life on that front. And then you got the valve if you need it.
Replace it.
Yeah,
I saw you do it last time.
Yeah, it's easy. I can do it. I can coach it. I got videos on it that I post. It's super simple.
Well, I saw when you did it last time. So I was like, okay.
Yeah, you just turn the gas off, disconnect it, put the adapter on the new one. You make sure you don't put too much Teflon tape or you can crack it because it's aluminum. Just a little pipe dope. Put that on there. You don't have to drain the tank or anything. You just leave that sort of that black well housing on there and the sensor, and you just put everything back together. It takes 15 minutes. But this one's working, so. And then now, you know, it seems like the water has stopped. That's a huge thing with those plastic drain valves. Yeah. They start leaking at the tank.
And I can hear it.
Yeah, you can hear it. You might have high water pressure, would be my guess. I don't have my tester with me, but I think they said
very high water.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, when I turn on the water hose out there, like
yeah. So you're probably like 80, 85, 90 psi. You should probably put a pressure regulator on your house. It'll save over time. It'll save your fixtures, your faucets, and all that.
Where do you put that on the main?
On the main. The main's coming in. It just takes the pressure and dials it down to like 50, 60 psi. And yeah, you don't get that nice pressure anymore in the shower and all that, but it saves these water heaters because they already build pressure through thermal expansion. Like water, you know, when water gets hot, it expands, and it pushes back into the system, and the system's already pushing back on it, and it just kind of wears everything out. But you know, you had a pretty good run 2017 to now, so. You know, maybe do it the next time you buy a new one. If you buy a new water heater, or if you decide you want to put a used one in, do it then. And just ride it out for now. It's up to you.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's up to you. But that's it.